Hello and welcome to another RC plane guide video and to part 5 in this P-47 build. So in the last episode we went over testing the air system, and now we're moving on to the insides of the fuzz ready before we're sheeting it. So here we're just testing the tail system, so the closed loop system that moves the retractable tail wheel there, making sure that the rods and everything are all lined up with the push rods, testing those all move freely, and that the closed loop moves backwards and forwards to move the tail wheel. So making sure that's all secure and working nicely. It's then turning it over and having a look for motivation and laying out the plan for the wing, ready to start in the next part. And now laying the stringers out ready for some sheeting. So starting with the first bit of sheeting on the back of the fuzz, one bit at a time. So one side at a time, obviously, as you can see, making use of lots of clamps there and pins and masking tape, anything basically to hold it to shape. And just working it sheet by sheet, one at a time. In no rush, just making sure everything's all lined up and as good as possible. Making a start there on some spars for the wing. And continuing with the sheeting. And there we have it, a fuselage that looks much more like a P-47. It's getting exciting. Stay tuned for part 6 on the wing. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date on all the latest videos. And if YouTube isn't just enough, follow the link tree in my profile to find and follow all my other social media platforms. Thanks and bye for now.